talking about Excel customization and collaboration. In this module, we're going to explore how to personalize or Excel experience and leverage tools. These skills are invaluable for streamlining your workflows and ensuring effective team. Doesn't matter whether you're working on projects or collaborating. Now, what we can expect in this module, you're going to learn a few different things. First, we're going to work with workbooks with Excel templates, build our own custom templates. We're going to apply data validation rules and messages and error alerts to data accuracy. We're going to insert and format form controls for interactive functionality. We're going to protect workbooks and work permissions. We're going to review workbooks, compatibility, accessibility, and other issues. We're going to look at sharing workbooks and collaborating using OneDrive and Office Online. Customize the Excel options, access toolbar, create a very personalized workspace. And then finally, we're going to explore the cloud-based tools, Microsoft 365, will enhance your productivity. Now, master all these efficiency, also greatly improve effectiveness. Your deadlines for this class or your assignments in this module are going to be the SimBook, Excel customization, SimPath, Stream. We are covering 2 chapters, but we're only going to be doing projects. Project 7-3, Project 7-6. Then we're going to finally take our 25 questions assessment and the Module 5 concepts, which is the exam customization. So make sure you practice your workbook protection, customize your workspace, and explore your cloud tools. Of course, if you need questions, guys, otherwise, enjoy your Module 5. If you need anything, no, otherwise, okay.